Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some more modeling on this PC-24. So let's go ahead and get started. Got this so far. What I'm going to do now is this and show you guys how to do this tail back here too. So we have the shapes for these already here too that we can use. And I'll go ahead and use these. So I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. Sketch a line. Use a fit point spline here. And all I'm doing is just copying this. Before I do this, let me cancel this. I want to move this in a little. Don't think it's that far back. Use a mirror this. Sketch another line. Fit point spline. And mirror this. And this one here again, line. Fit point spline. Mirror this. Okay, now we got those three there, and go ahead and finish sketch. And I'm going to move all three of these up here. So move copy, change this to sketch objects. And select all three of these. Move this up here. And put this on this line here. Then look at this from the front. Then I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees. Click OK. And same thing with the next one. Put this on this line here also. Look at this from the front and rotate this 90 degrees. Click OK. And then the final one here again. And move this up. Click OK. and rotate this. Now we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. And we're going to project these points here. Rotate this and make sure I've got the correct ones. And the ones in the back. Okay. I'll use the line tool. Go ahead, finish sketch. Create, and we're going to use a loft. And we have that. Now we have to put this on top here. So what I'm going to do here is put a patch on the top up here. Now this shape up here, we can do this several ways. And let me think of the easiest way to do this. Okay. I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. Going to project this. Click OK. Fit point spline here. And I'm going to mirror this line here. Okay. And sketch a line. Back. Finish sketch. Now create a sketch on this plane here. And project a couple points here, front here, and this back here. lines, not there, there. Project the center line there also. Now I'm going to turn off the canvas here. Use a fit point spline. Cancel this. Sketch a line. I think the best way to do this would be to put a plane here, then do this. But I didn't do that. Okay, go ahead and finish sketch. And I'll show you what I mean by a plane. Construct. Let me cancel this. I'll use a plane at an angle, but I need to put a line first. Then come up here to construct and use a plane at an angle. This here. Click OK. Now I'll create a sketch on this plane here. Go back to the solids. Okay, and then create a sketch on this front plane here. And what I need to do is project, intersect. Then I want to select this line here and this here and click OK. Look at this from the front. Now use our fit point spline. Oh, I used the wrong one. Sorry about that. I want to create a sketch on this plane. Now come up to create, project include, intersect. This line here and this one here. Click OK. Back to the front. Then fit point spline. Finish sketch. And then we're create a sketch on this plane here. Again, come up here, create, project include, intersect, and the same line, this one, click OK. Again, fit point spline. Where? Okay, that's not correct. Okay, do that again, fit point spline. Make sure it's on the right point, and it is. And finish sketch. Go back to surface, create, and this time I'm going to use a, let's see, a sweep. And cancel this, might use a loft instead. Take a look. Okay, let's use a loft. And add rails. Click OK. And we have that. And we come up here to mirror this and the mirror plane. This, join, click OK. We have this. And I'm going to put a patch here. Click OK. Okay. And we have that now. Now what we want to do here is come up to stitch this and this. And click OK. Now this will turn into a solid body now, which is fine. And put a patch on this side too. Yeah, we don't need to right now, but yeah. And that's what we have so far. And this here, to get this section down here, what you're going to do is take this profile, or not profile, but turn the canvases back on here. This right here. You're going to take this, sketch it, and then you're going to put it right here on the bottom here, and then loft between the two to give you this bottom piece. Okay. Turn the fuselage off again. Turn off this vertical stab. And this. Take a look at doing the sail here. Okay. Now, all of these are not needed. I'm going to take the front one here. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. Now, I don't know if this is, it doesn't look completely round, but the internal one does. So let's give this a shot. Let me cancel this. Sketch a line. Now, this line here is just to find the center. Okay. Don't need that one. Excuse me. Cancel this and use that circle, or excuse me, line. Okay. And this back one here. Finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. Go back to the solids. Zero this out. Move this. Look at this from the top. Rotate this. And from the front, we're going to have to move this over. Then the next one, again, move this. Then look at this from the front and move it over. Click OK, and then the one in the back, the last one. Again. Rotate this 90. Then look at this from the front and move it over. Okay. Now create a sketch on this plane here. No, we're not going to create a sketch on that plane. Undo this. First, we're going to do a plane at an angle. And we need a line. So cancel this. So, create a sketch on this plane. Sketch a line. Make that a construction line and finish sketch. Then come up here, the construction, plane at an angle. Then rotate this 90 degrees. Click OK. Now we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. And we need to project. Turn the canvases off so I can see this. Project these points. And turn the canvases off here. Make sure your 3D sketch is on. Fit point spline. Finish sketch. And we have our spline cage. And we're going to loft, and make sure you go to the surface to do this, because if you use the solids, it won't do it. Then we're going to add rails. Click the plus. Now it says this is missing, so cancel this. Hey, check out something else first before I Okay, saying those are missing. So take a look at these really close, and they are. That's not... create a sketch on this plane. Okay. Finish sketch. Let's try this again. Loft. Clear this out. Okay. Finish sketch. Half of it in nacelle. And we're going to mirror this. And a mirror plane. This. Click OK. But I used the wrong plane to mirror it. No worries. I know what. I need to turn that plane back on there. Create, mirror this, and select the mirror plane, which is this. Click OK. And when you do this, make sure your points are on the center. Because if not, you'll end up like this also. And as you can see, just reverse like that, and this lets you know this is not closed. Okay. And that's what we have now. Not bad. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well if you like my videos. If you have any questions about what I've done here, just leave them down in the comments or send me an email or send me a message over on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CatBillFlyRC. And if you have any questions, like I said, just send them over there. And if you can, become a paid member on my Patreon site. It's only $5 a month. And the things you see me draw here, you can download them over there. So yeah. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.